monster car. I think he's a tattoo artist.
Probably.
Same here, same everything. Everybody gets stuck right
I know.